How to use green status on Cash App. So here is Cash App, and basically, this is just a new benefit program which you can get. How you need to spend $500 or more with your Cash App card or Cash App Pay, or you need to deposit $300 or more in qualifying paychecks. Once you qualify, your benefits start right away and remain active through the following months. For example, if you qualify in April, your benefits will stay active through May. So and then if you deposit less than 300 in that month, your Cash App Green will not renew the following months. So for example, as you said, for example, you spent more than $500 on 10th of April, then you will earn this green status for the remaining of April and also for the whole May. And then during the May, you need again to spend 500 or more, and then you will get that for June and so on. So pretty cool. And then here's, you can see on Reddit, people discussing it. This is what you'll get it. Green status renews December 1st. And you just decide whether you really need it or this is just, what are the main benefits. 5 custom offers per week. So you don't know which kind of offers are those. Are this something legit or some like not worth it? Then you have access to higher saving interest rates, access to higher borrow limits, access to free overdraft coverage, free in-network ATM withdrawals, free paper money deposits, priority fund support. So this is all you're getting. And yeah, so that's basically the idea in there. So you decide, for example, if you're really using Cash App for interest rates, if you're saving some money there, it can be worth it. If you're borrowing, it can be worth it. Free overdraft coverage, if it's important for you, can be worth it. If you have ATM withdrawals, can be worth it. Free paper money deposits also kind of looks good. Priority fund support, I don't know. So some of these can be quite nice to have actually. And yeah, I've read on Reddit that all of these benefits are also available if you're using Cash App for like direct deposit of your salary and stuff like that. Then you're just also getting a lot of this for free basically. But yeah, this is a new thing, so try it out. I guess it's available only in US, and some of the features are also not available in some states, and available in another. You can always call them to ask for support. And so yeah, this is kind of like a beta version of this program, but it's quite popular. A lot of people considering that, especially if if you spend in every month like $400 on Cash App, and if you just add 100, you can get all of that. So you might consider to pay for your gas or like, shop in supermarket more with Cash App card, and then you will just get it. Also, some people say if you just transfer from another bank account to Cash App, then you also get in that. But I don't know whether it works for all banks and so on, because it says you need to have $300 or more deposit in qualifying paychecks. So not all of paychecks, qualifying for that. But yeah, enjoy.